Let me ask you something interesting. Imagine today you only have $1,000 in the world. No savings, no investments, just $1,000. What would you do?
Honestly, I'd feel a bit stressed. $1,000 doesn't feel like much these days.
That's exactly how most people think. But here's something interesting. The way someone uses their first $1,000 often reveals how they think about money.
What do you mean?
Well, some people immediately spend it, maybe a new phone, clothes, or a short trip, and the money is gone.
Yeah, that sounds pretty realistic.
Others might try to double it quickly. They jump into trading, crypto, or something risky because they want fast results.
Let me guess, that usually doesn't end well?
Most of the time, no. Because when people rush for fast money, they often lose the very thing they had.
So, what's the smarter move then?
The smartest people usually do something different. They treat that $1,000 like a seed, not a jackpot.
A seed?
Yeah, something small that can grow. Maybe they invest in learning a skill. Maybe they start a small side project. Maybe they buy tools that help them create value or generate more income.
So, the goal isn't to multiply the money directly, it's to multiply what you can do?
Exactly, because skills, knowledge, and systems can produce many more thousands later.
That's interesting. So, the first $1,000 isn't really about getting rich.
Right, it's more like a test. Do you treat it like spending money, or do you treat it like the beginning of something bigger?
So, if two people receive the same $1,000, their future could look completely different.
Exactly. And here's the twist most people don't realize.
What twist?
If someone can't grow $1,000, they probably won't grow 10,000 either.
Wait, why?
Because the amount of money isn't the real issue. The system behind the person is. If someone spends everything they earn, they'll spend $1,000. If they earn $10,000, they'll spend $10,000. And if they suddenly get a lot of money, many people still end up broke.
So, the real question isn't about the money.
Exactly. The real question is, what kind of system do you have for growing money? Because money usually amplifies habits. Bad habits create bigger problems. Good habits create bigger opportunities.
So, $1,000 is actually like a test.
Yes, not a test of how lucky you are, but a test of how you think.
That actually changes how I see it.
Yeah, because many successful people didn't start with millions. They started with a small seed and they protected it.
So maybe the real question isn't, how do I turn $1,000 into a million?
Exactly. The real question is, what can I start today with $1,000 that keeps growing? And maybe that's today's little aha moment. Sometimes it's not about how much money you have. It's about how you think about the first seed. Because money doesn't create habits, it reveals them.